This tutorial will show you how to get pictures online with Safari completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Okay, the first step to get pictures online with Safari completely for free is to open up Safari and then type in here on the search browser or engine, pexels.com. Basically, this is the best free website for royalty-free images and videos. Trust me when I say this, because the next website I'm going to show you is not the best as this. You can scroll down, you can click on an image of your choice. You can even locate the image. Oh, this is a video. The videos will show right here. As you can click download, it has a video. If we were to click on this, this is an image, and you can even click free download on the top right hand screen. And as you can see, you have the small image, the medium, large, or the original image. The original image can be downloaded, which is a large quality picture, completely for free. As you can see, when we click down on the top left hand screen and then click download, you have successfully downloaded the highest quality image or picture with online Safari. Now another website is basically this right here. It's called pixabay.com, and as you can see, it's very similar to Pexels. You can scroll down, you can click on an image of your choice, and then you can click download on the top right hand screen. Now if we were to download the highest quality image, in this case it's a JPEG, you're gonna have to create an account or sign in. But if you click download, you can download a lower quality image. Let's say this one right here. And as you can see, you can successfully download this, but you can't download the highest quality images for free using Pixabay. But wow, oh wow, this looks good. Online picture Safari completely for free.